Well, a breaking news coming in indicates that the Acholi elders have once again suspended the family reunion of those who returned from the Lord Resistance Army, which was reported on the 29th of September in the year 2023. This happened at SOS Children's Home in Gulu City in northern Uganda. Now, what you must know is the reason for the suspension is that it was due to tension and confusion with disagreement that the proper rituals to be performed for each individual former LRA. LRA rebels returning families now still have to wait for this reunion to happen. Just a reminder, you need to know that Acholi takes certain rituals, cultural practices as key for somebody who has stayed for long in a foreign land, which is known as team. Foreign land is known as team. So among the rituals, which is, for example, the one which is done by the family is the breaking of egg in between a certain stick from a certain tree known as pogo, where they break it before an individual enters back into the family after staying a long time away in a foreign land. Now, the ritual which was supposed to happen for the reunion is what we have not yet confirmed, but predictably could be the mataput or any other. We don't know what ritual they have disagreed, which parties brought which ritual and which was disagreed. This has been the hardest news so far for me to get, but it's a promise you will get updates as soon as possible. Thank you.